Welcome to Mobile Joe's channel.
Various types of heavy mining equipment.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer. The bulldozer is all about raw power. Picture this. A heavy machine with a massive steel blade in the front, ready to push mountains of earth, rocks, or debris. In mining, bulldozers are used to clear land, create roads, and keep things moving smoothly across the site. They're tough enough to handle the harshest terrains, from muddy grounds to rocky surfaces. Some mining bulldozers weigh hundreds of tons, and they're equipped with advanced GPS systems to improve precision. At the end of the day, a dozer is like the muscle of the mining site, pushing, clearing, and shaping the land so other machines can do their job. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. A backhoe loader is like the Swiss Army knife of heavy equipment. It's smaller than a full excavator, but don't let that fool you. With a digging arm on the back and a loader bucket in the front, it can handle a wide range of jobs. Digging trenches, lifting materials, clearing debris, you name it. In mining sites, backhoes are often used for support work, like setting up utilities or fixing access roads. They're versatile, fast, and easy to maneuver, which makes them super valuable on site. If mining had a do-it-all machine, the backhoe loader would be it. Dragline excavator.
Dragline excavator adalah salah satu alat berat yang biasanya digunakan dalam pekerjaan konstruksi pelabuhan, penggalian dalam, penambangan, hingga jalan raya. Dragline excavator bahkan bisa juga untuk pekerjaan penggalian bawah air seperti sungai atau danau. Dragline excavator mempunyai sistem tali pengangkat dan kerekan untuk menaik turunkan.
Watching one operate feels like seeing a mechanical giant slowly reshaping the landscape. Haul truck. Haul truck. Now this is where mining gets supersized. A haul truck, also called a mining dump truck, is not your everyday pickup. It's a giant on wheels. These trucks are designed to carry hundreds of tons of material in one trip. Imagine standing next to one. The tires alone can be taller than a person. Operators use them to transport or coal, or overburden from the digging site to the processing area. With engines that sound like thunder and fuel tanks big enough to fill a swimming pool, haul trucks are the backbone of material transport and mining. Without them, nothing gets moved. Excavator. Excavator. The excavator is one of the most iconic machines you'll see in mining. With its giant arm and powerful bucket, this beast is built to dig deep into the earth and move massive amounts of soil, rock, and minerals. Operators use it to load trucks, clear areas, and even break through tough ground with attachments like hydraulic hammers. In mining, efficiency is everything, and excavators get the job done fast. They come in different sizes, from smaller ones for tighter spaces to huge mining excavators that can move tons of material in just one scoop. It's basically the workhorse of modern mining operations. Hydraulic shovel excavator. Hydraulic shovel excavator. The hydraulic shovel excavator is one of the real powerhouses in mining. Unlike regular excavators, this machine is built on a massive scale, designed to scoop and load thousands of tons of material every day. Its giant hydraulic arms give it incredible strength and precision, allowing it to dig deep into tough rock and load haul trucks with just a few passes. These shovels can move over 60 tons in a single scoop, which is mind-blowing when you think about it. They're often paired with the biggest mining trucks on the planet, creating a non-stop cycle of digging and hauling. In mining, efficiency is everything, and the hydraulic shovel excavator is built to keep things moving fast. It's not just big. It's one of the most essential machines keeping modern mining alive. Motor grader. Motor grader. Motor graders are the road builders of mining operations. With their long blade in the middle, they're used to create flat, smooth surfaces. In a mining site, graders make sure the massive haul trucks can travel safely by leveling and maintaining haul roads. Without them, roads would be uneven, slowing down transport and damaging tires. Some graders are huge, with powerful engines and advanced GPS for laser-precise grading. It might not look as dramatic as a giant excavator, but trust me, without graders, mining logistics would be a total nightmare. Smooth roads equal faster, safer operations. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Think of the wheel loader as the multitasker of the mining world. It's got a big bucket in the front, designed to scoop, lift, and move material quickly. Unlike excavators that stay in one place, wheel loaders are mobile and fast, making them perfect for loading trucks, stockpiling material, or clearing debris. They're used in almost every stage of mining. Some loaders are so massive they can lift over 40 tons in one bucket. With modern hydraulics and advanced controls, operators can move huge amounts of material with precision and speed. It's the kind of machine that keeps the workflow smooth and efficient. Compactor. Compactor. A compactor, also called a roller, might not look as exciting as other machines, but it plays a vital role. These machines press down soil, gravel, or crushed rock to create strong, stable surfaces. In mining sites, compactors are used to prepare haul roads, stabilize ground for heavy machinery, and reduce dust. Without proper compaction, roads could collapse under the weight of massive trucks. So, while compactors don't dig or haul, they make sure the ground is tough enough to handle all the action. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. The skid steer loader might look small compared to giant mining machines, but don't underestimate it. This compact, highly maneuverable loader is built to handle a variety of support jobs on a mining site. With its tight turning radius, it can move easily in cramped spaces where big equipment can't fit. Operators use it to clean up work areas, move loose material, or even handle attachments like augers, sweepers, or breakers. Its versatility makes it kind of like the helper machine, always filling in the gaps and keeping operations smooth. Skid steers are also quick to set up and easy to operate, which saves valuable time. In short, it may be small, but the skid steer loader is a key player that keeps everything running efficiently in the background of big mining operations.